so we wanted to follow JK's layout of how we wanted to do this. So it was action plan on selling used aged vehicles. He wanted it with action calls by leaders. So we have who, what, how, and when. So first off, a lot of good presentations today, but we wanted to really drive home some actionable items, specifically by what he started with, which was the who. So first off, we have the managers. Just like it was already discussed by everybody today, was discussed by Jordan. Aged vehicles has to be inspected with driving home inspection by the managers here. That starts with weekly meetings, okay? Who's involved in those meetings? The general manager, general sales manager, your inventory staff, okay? And then you're gonna carry that down to the sales staff as well, okay? So first off, you have to know about your aged vehicles, have to have a meeting about it, know which vehicles are coming due, which vehicles are already aged, and what are we gonna do to fix it, okay? So yeah, managers are involved in it, your inventory coordinator is gonna be involved in it, and then lastly, your sales reps are gonna be involved in it, okay? Now, what are these staff members gonna do? What are the actionable items that we're gonna do to change things, okay? Well, first off, we're gonna put a process in place that every coordinator, okay, is gonna manage his inventory, but as soon as the vehicle hits 45 days, that inventory coordinator's new process is that he has to drive that vehicle for a test drive. As soon as the vehicle hits, inventory coordinator has that, he's gonna take that vehicle for a test drive, he's gonna report back to the sales manager or the general manager himself. If any issues, smell, is it clean? Have the photos been looked at that he uploaded? Are they good or do they have to be redone? If you have a photo from winter time and it's summer, that looks like crap online. Get it redone, right? Aged vehicles, we're talking that vehicle's probably been there for 60 plus days, 90 days, but 45 days we're checking no matter what. That's the inventory coordinator's job, okay? Now, what's the manager gonna do, okay? Manager's gonna take it one step further. As soon as that vehicle, they're already having the weekly meetings, but as soon as that vehicle hits the 90 days, sales manager's gonna test drive that unit, okay? And then who do you think is gonna be going with him on the ride? The sales rep. The baby unit that we gave for that sales rep, you guys use the term baby units, we just call them select units for like a weekly select unit at Victoria Woodgrove. What's gonna happen? As soon as that vehicle hits 90 days, the sales manager and the salesperson are driving that vehicle together, okay? Actionable item, you're giving that vehicle to your sales rep, this is your baby unit for the next week. You're driving it together. As a sales manager, what's your goal? You wanna get them excited about the unit, okay? Lots of times we have Hyundai sales staff, they've been selling brand new Hyundais nonstop for 1-2 years. Do they know a lot about a Mitsubishi RVR? Probably not. That's your time as a sales manager. Take them for a side. You have 2 to 5 minutes in the car on a test drive, not super long. That's your time to take them to the sales guy and say, okay, this is your actionable item for the next week. Okay, just so you know, Mitsubishi has the longest warranty out of any unit in Canada right now. It's an 8-year 160 powertrain, I believe. Okay, I want you to put that in all your headings. Okay, so we're gonna keep going here. We have the who, we have the managers, inventory coordinator, and the sales reps. Well, now we're gonna go how. Okay, so we talked about the test drive. Obviously, when the inventory coordinator does his, he's gonna be looking at the display of the vehicle. This is a 45-day period for the inventory coordinator. He's gonna be looking at where that vehicle is parked, how it looks online, etc. The sales manager is doing the 90 days, which we talked about, and the sales rep's going with that sales manager on that test drive to complete that actionable item. Okay, when we give that to the salesperson, he's also checking for, like we talked about, the pouch, damage, clean, keys, location, website. But when we give them that baby unit, we're holding them accountable. After that test drive, it's like, okay, what are you gonna post this vehicle online? And he's like, oh, I'm gonna post it on Castnet here in the Okanagan. That's not good enough. We want the vehicle on Castnet, Craigslist, Kijiji. I wanna walk around on the vehicle, post it, okay, online. So it's not just, you know, giving them a baby unit for a week and saying this is your, make sure the vehicle's clean. It's, I want you to have it on every single ad posted. If you have to spend $5 to post it on Craigslist in Vancouver, or Kijiji in Vancouver, I want that vehicle posted there, okay? You come tell me I want it on all avenues. And then lastly was when. There's no time like the present. It said today for everything. Get started right away. So that's the meeting now.